I just can't. I just can't. I just can't.
Some of my lovely subscribers informed me that this girl, Kate, blah, blah, blah. I don't know, I have to look at it to see how to say her name, it's kind of confusing. They informed me that she did some Instagram TV video about my hair fail that I did. Black to blonde. The funny thing is it wasn't a fail, so I don't really know why it was considered a fail for someone that's never been to beauty school, didn't have to pay for beauty school, and also didn't have to pay for a stylist to fuck it up. From this point on, I'm gonna be a nice person. At least I'll try. Sorry, I have my sloth calendar right there. This is a really quick thing I just wanna do. I want the reaction to be genuine, so I'll do it while it's fresh. How about that? Yeah, a couple of you guys let me know, April and Carmona. Thank you guys. I wouldn't have known until it was way too late to respond, so thank you. Y'all ready for this?
That color fix is gonna fix all of your problems.
Well, it did, so stay tuned.
Yeah, she said, like, to inform us that none of that color was natural.
Not everybody knows.
What?
So because of that, I'm going to have to bleach it from black.
Again, are you reassuring yourself or reassuring us?
You guys, so that you guys know how to do your hair.
Black hair dye.
So you can
Yeah.
It's gonna be a situation. Not gonna kill it. Okay.
is the sensitive scalp.
Luckily, the sensitive scalp,
Yeah.
that's the part that is gonna make the 40 volume totally okay.
It says you can apply it directly to your scalp on the bottle. Just thought I'd say that.
Again, box black.
Box black.
Soft black.
Yep.
We are going to a very light blonde
Yep.
with 40 volume from
Yep.
black
Because once you
for toning.
I have thick hair, so I kind of need 40
Oh my
volume.
god. Honestly, at this point, I'm really okay with her ruining everything about her hair because she is way too sure of herself.
There's a couple reasons I was sure of myself. Number one, I've done this before, actually multiple times, because I'm indecisive and I know what my hair can handle. Number two, I'm sure of myself because I consulted with actual hairstylists that are actually kind and, you know, not rude about it, so...
La 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 la, no one cares about you talking.
Some people
I
care.
want to see you ruin your hair.
Don't ruin
Get
it!
the show on the road, girl.
Sorry, it's not gonna be a fail. I didn't ruin my hair. There's one little part of my hair that got kind of fried, but that's fine.
Oh my god. This is actually the precursor to her becoming blind. Didn't know.
Y'all like that? Y'all like what she did there?
It's honestly pretty shocking. It got a lot of that out.
Oh, really? It did? It did get a lot of it out? Color Fix solved all my problems? What? Oh, but you just said that it... Oh, man.
I'm sorry, I just can't keep listening to her.
can't.
I just can't. I just can't. I just can't. Talk
Then don't. You're
and
not watching it for the right
explain.
reason.
Get to
Listen.
the part where you ruin everything. Whoa, why is it so blue?
Because it's blue tainted bleach.
That's gnarly.
I was waiting for that moment.
It essentially just looks like blue Joico.
If you
like-
read the actual
blue
tub,
blue
it
direct
says
dye.
it's blue tainted bleach.
First of all,
Lord of
let me
mercy.
just go ahead and apply bleach to the virgin hair and not to the rest.
The reason I applied it to the virgin hair is because my undercut usually has problems becoming very blonde. It turns to like a yellowy color. It just doesn't take color as well as the rest of my hair. And if that's the way I want to do it, let's just do it that way. I don't understand why there has to be like a book to how to do everything when everybody has a different hair story. Not everybody's hair is going to be exactly the same. I don't understand why people have to be such snobs about it and feel like they have to just watch it and correct everybody in such a harsh way. You might say it's just comical, whatever, but the words that you're using and the tones that you're using are pretty bitchy. I wouldn't just come at somebody you don't know like that, because it's just stupid. Even people that comment rude comments on videos, I don't really understand where they get that anger from. Take it somewhere else. Use it on someone that's actually being a bitch, not someone that's trying to help people, not someone that's trying to save people money, not someone that's trying to help beginner hair dyers. Sorry I didn't go to school for it. I don't really want to go to school for it because I don't want to pay for the schooling. I should probably take that part out. Let's keep this going.
Shit hair. See how this goes. Just gonna get these spots with another round of 40 volume.
I'm gonna get those spots with 40 volume, and you know why? Because I'm not putting it all over the ends of my hair, not the parts that are gonna fall out.
It got a lot of that out. I'm sorry.
Hello? So someone did an Instagram TV thing. She has like 30 something thousand followers, and she was basically hating on my black to blonde video, and she played my video and just did like a hair fail video, and it was not a fail. She sounded real stupid.
Video of your video?
Yeah, it's Instagram TV. It's not YouTube.
Oh.
But people are commenting on it. Most of the people are saying like, oh my god, this made my day, haha, this is so funny. And then some people that follow me and stuff like that are commenting and calling her a hater. But I'm making a video right now, and you're talking in it. Just,
Oh, wow.
Just wanted to let you know. It's a response video.
Oh, okay. Well, tell that.
Okay. Okay. Well, I commented on her video and I was like, you're so kind. Thank you, with a heart. Okay, I'm gonna have to stop you right there. I'm cutting that out of the video. It's okay. I don't care. She's a snobby. Love you. See you soon. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Sorry, guys.
Not gonna get my roots, but definitely gonna get my roots.
Maybe because they're
Same
yellow.
Oh, absorbed the bleach, because that's how these things work.
Quick question. Is there another way that it works? Doesn't your hair kind of absorb the chemicals that you put on it? Am I crazy? Please tell me in the comments below what happens when you bleach your hair. Does your hair absorb it or does it not? I'm tired of this. I feel like I'm being petty right now.
Let me put it on my forehead so you can see it better. What is that? Is that supposed to be just like green and purple?
No, it's a color corrector. Come on, you should know these things. You work at a salon. You don't know what color corrector is? It's just a little bit of super concentrated color to help get those tones out, honey.
How's that gonna work out? It's honestly really surprising that it got that light from
Go
that
figure.
previous situation, so...
Because I knew
For that.
what was gonna fucking happen when I fucking dyed my hair. So can I get a little shut the fuck up over here, please? Ugh.
So, kudos for that.
Thanks.
But there is a serious stage of denial going on here because she's obsessed.
Denial?
Not too bad. Just the few random little spots and bands.
I don't know what he just said, but he sounds ignorant, so. And then she had something to say about my generic shampoo. It's literally the same thing as Shimmer Lights, just by the generic brand at Sally Beauty Supply. I can't believe she's never heard of these things before. Working at a salon, how do you not know what Sally Beauty Supply sells? I apologize if I was being petty at all, but honestly, I was just being real. I'm not gonna sit here and just take everything, you know? Thank you guys for supporting me. Whoever does support me, there will probably be some more of these videos. I wouldn't be surprised, but it's just all part of putting videos on YouTube. So, of course, someone's gonna have something to say. I think she just did it so she could sound cool and cocky. Bye!